Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Abdul Hanan and you are watching Study Wali class. Friends, in this lecture we are going to study about the oligosaccharides. So first of all, it is my request, so please like, comment and share to my videos, and also subscribe to my channel Study Wali class, and also press the bell icon for the future notifications. So first of all, what is oligosaccharides? So we have studied the carbohydrates and we have also studied the monosaccharides. So the next type of the carbohydrate is the oligosaccharide. So first of all, the definition. So the oligosaccharide, it is the class of the carbohydrate consisting of 2 to 10 monosaccharides which are linked together. Okay, but then we have their properties. So first of all, the taste. So their taste is less sweeter compared to the monosaccharides. Okay, and the next property is the solubility. So these are less soluble in water as compared to monosaccharides because they have the larger structure as compared to the monosaccharides. Okay, then we have their formation. So the oligosaccharides are formed from the monosaccharides. Okay, it's mean the monosaccharides are their subunits. The building block of the oligosaccharides is the monosaccharides. Okay, then we have the covalent bond between the two monosaccharides is called the glycosidic linkage or the bond, because when the two saccharides bind together, the bond that is present between them is the covalent bond, and we call it the glycosidic linkage bond for the carbohydrates. Okay, then we have the classifications. On hydrolysis, when the oligosaccharides react with water, the oligosaccharides produce 2 to 10 monosaccharides. Okay, and then we have an oligosaccharides producing the 2 monosaccharide is called the disaccharides. By hydrolysis, the oligosaccharides which produce only 2 monosaccharides is called the disaccharides, and some important disaccharides are the maltose, lactose and the sucrose. Similarly, an oligosaccharides producing the 3, okay, the 3 is known as the trisaccharides, and so on. We have the tetrasaccharides and the pentasaccharides. Okay, then we have this example of the oligosaccharides, which is the sucrose, because it is an example of the disaccharides and they are the non-reducing sugars. Okay, the most common disaccharides is the sucrose, is known as the cane sugar. Okay, its molecular formula is C12H22O11, and on hydrolysis it gives the glucose and the fructose, which are both the reducing sugars. Okay, so this is the basic concept of the oligosaccharides. I hope you have understood it very well. So if you understand it and if you learn the oligosaccharides and if you get the point, then please make sure to like, comment and share to my videos, and also subscribe to my channel Study Wali class and press the bell icon for the future notifications. And until the next video, take care of yourselves and the family members. Allah Hafiz.